We receive and inspect all raw materials to ensure quality before production begins.
We mix all ingredients carefully to create a smooth and consistent dough for cheese balls.
We could condition the dough to get the perfect structure for puffing during frying.
We shape the dough into uniform balls to ensure even cooking. We dry the balls to reduce moisture and prepare them for frying.
We fry the cheese balls to make them light, crispy, and puffed.
We remove excess oil to keep the cheese balls crunchy and light.
We coat the cheese balls with rich cheese flavor for taste. We pack the cheese balls carefully to keep them fresh and crunchy.
This is how we make cheese balls, from ingredients to packaging.